Hey guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So once again I have come with a new tutorial for you. So you can see this, right? So this is my completely architectural plan. So I do not have to any kind of some structural designs. So this is completely architectural. So this is the 3D modeling. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I have did it. So in this tutorial I'm not going to tell you each and everything how to draw this type of elevations of a building plan, but I will show you, definitely I will show you some plan of this plot, means plan of this floor plan I will show you, and I have did it in Revit. So I hope you all are using Revit for architectural as well as structural drawings, so you know how to handle this. So you can see that I have hide here my project browser, both of these. So if you want to repair, just go and right click. So if you go to the browser, here project browser, you can get it, right? So you can get it in the right side of it. So if you go to, again you can go, just do it, escape twice, and if you go to the browser, just go and click it, system browser. So you can see it has been appear in the left side of this corner. So no need to worry, here it is. So here my main motto of this tutorial is that to show you the this plan, means this plan of a 3D modeling, right? So here in my upcoming tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a walkthrough. So I hope you all know very well about walkthrough. You can go and check my previous tutorial also. I have done with my interior designing, means not completely interior designing. I have shown you that how to do some walkthrough in the inside of the floor plan. So but in this tutorial I am showing you some exterior 3D modeling. So I have do some texturing over here, and I have placed some of the interiors as well as some of the vehicles, and this is some of the roads. But there is lot of work has been pending to do. So it is just for point of view that showing to you all. So here some of the railings are there. So if I'm going to show you, it's all side view, you may understand that how I have did it here. So this tutorial will really help you. So it will give you the exposure how I have done it, and it will give you the some ideas regarding your tutorial making plan. So you can see it looks quite good, but let me show you some more things, and please have a look on this. So I have made it here some of the openings with the windows and all. So here I'm going to some of the rear view also, means back side of the building, means building in the sense that is architectural 3D modeling. So here it is backside view. So and some of the, this is the west face plot. So while I'm going to do any kind of architectural drawings, so I mind this vastu also. So here you can see I have did little bit here, over here I have to did here some texturing work, and this is my window, and this is my some of the texturing. It looks quite good if I did it here like this. So this is my some of the opening. So this is my main gate, and I have made it here two main gates. So in that you can see this, right? So here my parking. So in this tutorial I need to tell you that much only. So in my upcoming tutorial I will tell you lot of things which may really help you how to do some architectural design. And if you want to learn how I have done it, so go through my previous tutorials, or else you can comment me, I will work on that. So I'm going to show you the plan of this exterior design. So first of all I'm going to show you my floor plan, ground floor plan. So you can see it. See, this is my ground floor plan. So it looks like this. So here it is. So here this is main door, right? So it is not appear because I have made it here some of the exterior design, right? That's why. So here of the door, some I have made it here door. So this is my porch, and this is my two entrance. So this is the north side, and this is my, sorry, this is west facing, and this is my north side. So, and this is some of the living areas, and here it is open kitchen. So you may not able to see these all these things because I have made it here. So if you go to the first floor plan, you may see that lot of things over here. So in this I have made a some of the text also, text of this. So here you can see here this first floor plan give you some more clarity as compared to the ground floor plan, because I have been made cantilever over here. So this is the cantilever, means I have extended some of the parts over here, so it looks quite good, right? So here I have made some of the area. So this, you know, in the ground floor I have shown you this. So if you are a good architectural, or else you are a civil engineer, so you must have to know of the floor plan. So you know, if you are a Revit designer or your AutoCAD designer, and if you are some 3D Max and all, you know very well about these softwares. So you may know that. So any kind of floor plan gives you the much more clarity on the 3D based on their floor plan, right? So I have did it according to the floor plan only, but this floor plan gives me the 3D, and I have made some of the designing over here, so texturing. So in this tutorial I'm going to some of the renderings, some of the keywords. So you can see below of these, I hope you can see my cursor, please have a look over here. So here second one, visual style realistic with edge. So if you go with this, if you go with the hidden lines, you can see how it looks. So let it done. So have patience, quite see, if you see like this it will appear. So this is all of the architectural plans, right? So if you go with the wireframe, see how it looks in a wireframe. So this all about the tutorial. So in this tutorial I gonna show you this much. So it is very good to show you realistic plan, means realistic exterior design. So if you are a good learner, means if you want to really learn 3D, please do comment. I will walk according to your comments, and I will mind it, and I will walk according to that. So you can see this, so rendering dialog, right? So if you go to click over here, so you may have seen some of the render, and if you, I have made it here is settings medium. But if you are doing, and I have not made it screen, I have made it printer. So if you want to go good rendering means you may understand that how it looks or how it appears. So it all based on, see, this is realistic, but if you do rendering it will give you the complete realistic, that is quite more beautiful and attractive than now. So, and here some of these scheme, if you go to the sun and artificial, so that is quite good, some of the lightings and all. So now I'm not going to do this. So in my coming tutorial I will do it. Okay, so I hope you have loved this tutorial, and if you love this tutorial, please show your loves to know, so that I can know about your love, means if you do like and subscribe to our channel, if you are new to this channel, then that is very good to me, and thank you once again. Have a nice day.